This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sheri Lebrun. This is the large home and lot you have been waiting for in a great location. 3/2/2 with extra office and studio/workshop space. Park your boat or RV on your oversized lot, plus a pull-through oversized 2-car garage and extra parking west/2 driveways. Relax with privacy in your pool or screened lanai. Split floor plan with plenty of room for guests. Extras include sought-after gas range, fireplace, whole house generator, 2018, new roof, 2012, air conditioner, 2018, water heater, 2020, and pool resurfaced, 2020. Ready for you to come and enjoy. Open house Saturday 6/12 1 to 4 p.m. For more information, review the details below.